প্ৰিয় শিক্ষাৰ্থীসকল, কৃষ্ণকান্ত সন্দিকৈ ৰাজ্যিক মুক্ত বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ৰ বিদ্যায়তনিক দৃশ্য শ্ৰাব্য অনুষ্ঠানটিলৈ আপোনালোকক স্বাগতম জনাইছো। স্বয়ং প্ৰভা DTH চেনেল 20ৰ যোগেদি শিক্ষাৰ্থীসকলৰ অধ্যয়ন কাৰ্য অধিক মনোগ্ৰাহী আৰু ফলপ্ৰসূ হোৱালৈ লক্ষ্য ৰাখি বিভিন্ন বিষয় সামৰি আমাৰ এই বিদ্যায়তনিক অনুষ্ঠানটি সজোৱা হৈছে। আহকচোন প্ৰিয় দৰ্শকসকল, আমাৰ আজিৰ খণ্ডটিৰ মাজলৈ আগবাঢ়ো।
Welcome dear learners to yet another video lesson. My name is Chayanika Senapati and I am from Maniram, Dewan School of Management, and today I am going to discuss about various aspects of job analysis. Dear learners, in order to improve the performance of employees and their satisfaction and make the organization effective by creating the environment favorable for introducing changes, and there is a need to frame a strategy. So this strategy calls for understanding and the concepts which we are going to discuss today in this video lesson. The strategies like work study, job analysis, designing the job evaluation, then job enrichment of the employees from time to time. And the objective of these strategies that I have mentioned here is to increase the performance of the individuals and groups, and thereby increase the level of the organization, of the corporation, of the enterprise, and teamwork in the organization. So let us discuss about the various aspects of job analysis. This video on job analysis has been divided into 3 parts. After going through the first part of the video, you will be able to explain the meaning of work study. Also, you will be able to describe the nature, the concept and the process of conducting job analysis. After going through the second part of the video, you will be able to identify the various techniques of job design. And after going through the third part of the video, you will be able to learn about the job evaluation and its process, and also you will be discuss about the job enrichment. So let us first discuss about work study. Work study deals with techniques of method study and time study, and it work measurement for better and best possible use of human, machines and materials. The objectives of work study can be mentioned as finding better ways of doing work, then avoiding wastages, and to give the ways to obtain the optimum use of human, machine and material for accomplishing the goals. There are certain aspects of work study. They are most effective use of plant and equipment, most effective use of human efforts, and evaluation of human work. So let us discuss about method study. So what it is? It is the systematic recording, analysis and critical examination of existing and proposed ways of doing work. Method study can be applied to any field of work, but most important areas can be improve the layout of office, working areas of the factories, then improved design of plant and equipments, improved use of materials, plants, equipments and manpower, then effective handling of materials, also improved flow of work, safety standards, standardization of methods, and overall better working conditions. So what is time study? It is concerned with the establishment of time standards for qualified workers to perform a specific job. Method study must precede time study before any attempt is made to measure. Now let us discuss about job analysis. Edwin B. Flippo defined job analysis as the process of studying and collecting information relating to operations and responsibilities of a specific job. Job analysis is the procedure of exploring systematically the facts and the function within a job. It is one of the important functions of human resource manager in an organization. Through this process of job analysis knows the duties, the responsibilities and the accountabilities of a job, and qualities, skills, potentials and the talents to perform it. The job analysis is done systematically because it is, basically a technical procedure involving compilation of information relating to successful performance of a job and determination of relationship with other jobs and evaluating and prescribing the required qualifications, required skills and knowledge necessary for it. It is a useful tool for human resource planning, making recruitment and selection, providing for training and development. Then also it is important tool for performance appraisal, career planning and so on. Now let us discuss about the process of job analysis. A job analysis is a process of collecting information regarding some or all the jobs in an organization or an enterprise. So let us now discuss the steps followed for job analysis process. First is the time for conducting job analysis. In modern times, we know things are changing very fast and frequently. The new competitors are entering into the business and the industrial arena. And under this changed circumstances, organizations have to restructure the organizational setup as a part of strategy to meet the challenges. This leads to job analysis. Some new jobs may be created, some eliminated, or some may be combined with others. So for this, job analysis is required. Now let us discuss the second step, that is the collection of information relating to the job. So after deciding to conduct the job analysis, the second step is to collect all the relevant information relating to various jobs in the organization. And to conduct this analysis, one has to go through some collection information methods. So one is the questionnaire method. So it is widely used method of data collection. A detailed questionnaire is prepared so that the vital information is not missed and can be collected. Second is the observation. So in this method, the job performers are observed while they are working, and observation may be continuous or in samples also, and it is useful for the jobs involving physical activities. It provides observers the general familiarity about the job. Again, other method is the interview method. Here the experienced employees have complete knowledge about the jobs and interview, and relevant information about the job and its specific activities are gathered. A structured interview is most useful to collect vital information regarding any job. The next step is the preparation of job description form. So it is a document which shows the complete information describing the various activities involved in the job. It also describes how and when a job is to be done and how a job holder will do it, and a separate job description form are prepared for different jobs stored for reference. The next step in the process of job analysis is to prepare job specification on the basis of collected information that we have collected. And the job specification is the statement declaring minimum acceptable qualifications required to perform a job successfully. Step is the process of job analysis. The process of job analysis is to prepare the report on the job analysis by the analyst and to admit the same to the human resource manager. The report contains the different activities of various jobs and the minimum educational qualifications, their experiences, the training and skills required to perform them, and recommendations. So dear learners, with this we have come to the end of the first part of the video lesson on job analysis. In this part of the video, we have discussed about the meaning of work study. We also discussed about method study and time study. And lastly, we got some idea on the various aspects related to the process and the concept of job analysis. In the second part of the video, we'll discuss about the various techniques of job analysis. In the second part of the video, we will discuss about the various techniques of job design. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay safe. Welcome dear learners to second part of the video on job analysis. My name is Chayanika Senapati and I am from Maniram Dewan School of Management, and I am going to discuss about the various aspects related to job design and techniques of job design. So after going through this video, you will be able to describe the concept and objectives of job design, and also you will discuss about the techniques of job design. Let us first discuss about the meaning of job design. The human resource managers have realized that the design of a job has considerable influence on the productivity and job satisfaction. Poorly designed jobs often result in boredom to the employees, and it may, lead to increased turnover, job dissatisfaction, low productivity, and an increase in overall cost of the organization as a whole. All these negative consequences can be avoided with the help of proper job design. It helps in developing appropriate design of job to improve efficiency and satisfaction. So job design can be defined as it is a deliberate and systematic attempt to structure the technical and social aspect of work so as to improve the technical efficiency and job satisfaction. When we talk about objectives of job design, the first objective of job design is to meet the requirements of the organization, such as high productivity, technical efficiency, and quality work. The second objective is to satisfy the needs of the individual employees, such as job satisfaction in terms of interest, challenges, and achievement. The next objective is to integrate the needs of the individual with the requirement of the organization. When we talk about techniques of job design, we have to mention about work simplification, job rotation, job enlargement, job enrichment, autonomous group working, and high performance work design. And these are some of the popular techniques of designing the job. And let's discuss about this one by one. First, let us discuss about work simplification. In this technique, the job is simplified or specialized. A given job is broken down into small subparts, and each part is assigned to one individual. To be more specific, work simplification involves, mechanical pacing of work, then repetitive work process, such as those who are on the assembly line, then working on only one part of a product, predetermining tools and techniques, then restricted interaction among the employees, and few other more skills requirements. Work simplification is done so that the less trained and less paid employees can do these jobs. And work simplification is adopted when job designers feel that the jobs are not specialized enough. Let us discuss about the second technique, that is the job rotation. Job rotation, which implies movement of employees from one job to other. With job rotation, a given employee performs different jobs, but more or less jobs of the same nature. On the positive side, it may be said that a job rotation is likely to increase intrinsic reward potential of a job because of different skills and abilities needed to perform it. The organization stands to benefit because workers become competent in several jobs rather than only one. And knowing a variety of jobs improves the worker's self-image. It provides personal growth and makes the worker more valuable to the organization. Periodic job change can also improve the interdepartmental cooperation. Then employees become more understanding of each other's problem. So when we talk about the negative side, it may be stated that job rotation may not have much impact on employee enthusiasm and efficiency. So it depends on the employee's motivation. Let us discuss about job enlargement. So it involves expanding the number of tasks or duties assigned to a given job. Job enlargement is naturally opposite to work simplification. Adding more tasks or duties to a job does not mean that the new skills or abilities are needed to perform it. There is only a horizontal expansion, I would say. So if a college teacher who was teaching 12 hours per week has agreed to teach 2 more hours more. So it does not mean that any significant change is there in his or her career. Again, when we discuss about the job enrichment seeks to improve both task efficiency and human satisfaction by bringing greater scope for personal achievement and recognition, more challenging and responsible work, and more opportunity for individual advancement and growth. An enriched job will have more responsibility, and also it has autonomy and more variety of tasks and more growth opportunities. When we compare job enlargement and job enrichment, job enlargement can be considered as horizontal loading, and job enrichment can be considered as vertical loading. Now let us have a look on autonomous or self-directed teams. A self-directed or an autonomous team is an intact group of employees who are responsible for a whole work progress or a segment that delivers a product or a service to an internal or external customers. To varying degree, team members work together to improve their operations, handle day-to-day problems and plan and control their work. Highly effective teams are composed of groups of committed individuals who trust each other, have a clear sense of purpose about the work, are effective communication within and outside the team. They make sure that everyone in the team is involved in the decision making process affecting the group, and they follow a process that helps them plan, make decisions and ensure quality of their work. When we talk about high performance work design technique, it is a means of improving performance in an environment where positive and demanding goals are set. It starts from principles of autonomous group working and develops an approach which enables groups to work effectively together in situations where the rate of innovations is very high. And the operational flexibility is important, and therefore the need of employees to gain and apply new skills quickly with minimum supervision is required. So dear learners, those were the techniques of job design. With this we have come to the second part of the video lesson on job analysis, and in this second part of video we discuss about the concepts, the objectives of job design, and also we get a fair idea on techniques of job design. In the third part of the video, we will discuss about job evaluation and its process, and also we get some idea on the concept of job enrichment. Thank you for watching this video and stay safe. Welcome dear learners to third part of the video on job analysis. My name is Chayanika Senapati and I am from Maniram Dewan School of Management, and today I am going to discuss about the various aspects related to job evaluation in this process, and also we get some idea on the concept of job enrichment. So after going through this video lesson, you will be able to learn about the job evaluation in this process and also discuss about job enrichment. What is job evaluation? Job evaluation is the process of analyzing and assessing the various jobs systematically to ascertain their relative worth in an organization. Jobs are evaluated on the basis of their content and are placed in the order of their importance. In this way, a job hierarchy is established in an organization, and the purpose being the fixation of satisfactory wage differentials among various jobs. Job holders are rated through performance appraisal. Now let us discuss about job evaluation process. Job evaluation process actually starts with defining objectives of evaluations and ends with establishing wage and salary differentials. The main objective of job analysis, as I have already stated, is to establish satisfactory wage and salary differentials. Job analysis, should precede the actual program of evaluation. Job analysis, as we have discussed in the first part of the video, provides job-related data which would be useful in drafting the job description and also the job specification. A job evaluation program involves answering several questions like which jobs are to be evaluated, who should evaluate the job, what training do the evaluators need, how much time is involved, and what should be the criteria for valuation, then what methods of evaluation are to be employed. So these are some of the questions that to be answered in the process of job evaluation program. When we talk about job enrichment, it consists of designing the job in such a way that the worker gets greater autonomy for planning and controlling his or her own performance. The greater motivation for the employee according to this method is an opportunity for achievement, recognition, responsibility and growth. Job enrichment is a method technique which emphasizes the need for challenging the interesting work, It suggests that jobs be redesigned so that the intrinsic satisfaction is derived from doing the job. In its best application, it leads to vertically enhanced job by adding functions from other organizational level, making it contain more variety and challenging and offer autonomy and pride to the employee. In job enrichment, the job holder is given a measure of discretion in making operational decisions concerning his or her job, and in this sense he or she gains a feeling of higher status and influence and power. There are certain advantages and also some disadvantages of job enrichment. Let us first discuss about the advantages of job enrichment. The first would be job enrichment is the most widely used method of job design because it provides a meaningful work experience and learning to the employees. It makes the work more interesting. It helps in reducing the rate of labor turnover and absenteeism. It increases skills of the employees, and the workers get a higher job satisfaction as redesigned job provide intrinsic motivation to the employees. And lastly, organization gets improvement in the output, both qualitative and quantitative. So these are some of the advantages of job enrichment. Now let us discuss some of the disadvantages of job enrichment. The enriched jobs may fail to motivate employees who are alienated and who prefer job security, shorter work than bonus, good pay to autonomy and responsibility. For such employees, job enrichment may lead to feelings of sometimes inadequacy, sometimes may feel failure or dependence. They may consider it an additional burden without appropriate compensation. Second disadvantage would be, job enrichment may make work more difficult, and therefore proper training should be provided to the employee to handle the enriched job. In certain cases, job enrichment proves to be very costly process as the expenditure involved is very high than the gain in the productivity. It may sometimes not be possible to enrich all the jobs, especially the technical jobs with specialized machinery. Also, job enrichment does not necessarily mean job satisfaction. Jobs of highly skilled professionals are very challenging in nature, but it does not mean that they are always satisfied with their job. So these are a few disadvantages, but there are more advantages of job enrichment. So the organizations follow job enrichment method. So dear learners, we have come to the end of the third part of the video lesson on job analysis. Here we have discussed about the job evaluation and its processes. Also, we got some idea on the concept of job enrichment. We discussed about the disadvantages, and also we discussed about the advantages of job enrichment. We'll come again with other concepts on management and also human resource management. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay safe.
ইমান সময় আমি স্বয়ং প্ৰভা DTH চেনেল 20 যোগে সম্প্ৰচাৰিত কৃষ্ণকান্ত সন্দিকৈ ৰাজ্যিক মুক্ত বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ৰ বিদ্যায়তনিক অনুষ্ঠানটিৰ আজিৰ খণ্ডটি উপভোগ কৰিলো। এই বিদ্যায়তনিক অনুষ্ঠানটিৰ জৰিয়তে শিক্ষাৰ্থীসকল নিশ্চয়কৈ ভালেখিনি উপকৃত হৈছে। পুনৰ আন এটি বিষয় লৈ আমি আপোনালোকৰ মাজলৈ আহিম। নমস্কাৰ।